Guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to repair your Unvisible WhatsApp notifications in the iPhone 15. So if you don't see your WhatsApp notifications at the start, always check that you have the DND and focus mode, turn it off. So open the top menu, tap on the focus, and now make sure that you have this feature deactivated. Little obvious, I know, but sometimes you can miss it, so just check it. After that, open the settings and slide down to the WhatsApp. Now just turn off background app refresh and turn it on again. After that, open the notifications. Try to switch your notifications style to restart it. You can also go to the screen sharing and turn it on here. After that, you can also try to just reinstall your WhatsApp application or just reset your network connection. So go to the general, swipe down to the transfer reset, choose reset and tap on the network settings. Enter your code and tap on this button. In the next step, you can also try to update your system, so go to the software update and if you have any, just download that and install. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.